Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, I am Kritika. Namaste. Welcome to the family. Join it by subscribing to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So yes, Raksha Bandhan is around the corner and nothing can be better gift than giving them a DIY Rakhi, like handmade Rakhi. That would be so great. It will feel so heartfelt. So this video is completely dedicated to my brother. Currently he is not with me. He will not be with me during Raksha Bandhan. That is a little pissing, but can't help it. He is at his job, doing his work, and all respect to that. So yes, I miss you DDP, and that is a message for him. So yes, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. For the very first Rakhi, you have to make two circles one side other and cut it out as shown in the video. Now take a yarn and cut it so as to cover the whole circle with it. Again, as shown in the video, secure it with the glue. I am using fabric glue here. You can use any other glue also. Go around the circle so as to cover the whole circle with the wool. Now that our circle is covered with wool, we'll take our cardboard again and cut out a circle for the base of Rakhi. Now take the lace and stick it to the base with the fabric glue again. After sticking the lace, take the other circle that we made earlier and paste it above the base. The last step for this Rakhi making is to take some glue, put it inside the circle and paste a decorative flower over it. Your Rakhi is ready. For the second Rakhi, all you have to do is take glitter paper, draw 3 circles and cut them so that we can cut them into half later. Now that we have cut the glitter paper into half, fold them in half and then again fold it into half, that is 1/4 as shown in the video. Now that we are done with the petal shaped like M, we have to take a thread and sew it all together. Make sure you sew it one side, that means all the petals should be facing one side. After stitching the petals together, cinch them all together to make a flower like structure and also secure it again with the thread. Now that our flower is all secure and ready, we have to get another circle for the base to put the flower in. Now again with the help of glue, stick the lace to the base of Rakhi. Last step after pasting the flower is to place some pearls in the middle of the flower to make it more beautiful. For the last Rakhi, we need 2 threads which are attached with a needle at the end. Tie a knot to one side of the threads to secure it. After putting pearl in first thread, take the second thread and pull it upside as shown in the video. After having the desired number of pearls, secure it by tying a double knot at the end. Your Rakhi is ready to be worn by your brother. Enjoy! That was it for today's video. There were 3 Rakhis and my favorite one was the red one with wool what we made. So let me know what is yours and let me know what other DIYs you want to see. And yes, wishing you a very happy Raksha Bandhan in advance. So like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel and share with all your friends so they can also make a Rakhi for their brother this year. That would be a gift from us sisters to the brothers. So yes, okay, bye.